Oh my gosh, I'm Todoroki.
Okay.
Oh my god! That's Todoroki? For my hero?
Yeah, okay, welcome
To the squad.
What about JJ? Okay, retry. Welcome.
Ooh.
Who?
Oh my god!
squad.
You're supposed to say two.
What? I'm eating.
Welcome.
Two.
The squad.
Okay then. Okay, let's go. Lunch.
Wait, I need to place on this block. Alright.
You look like a marshmallow.
Also, today we're gonna be playing Battle About for Treasure. Oh goodness, he does not know the direction.
Take off. We're spinning. We're like fairies.
Faster than a tornado.
Funny. Alright guys, jump. We made it. You got him. Guys, jump. And didn't make it.
We're just gonna make a normal boat. Okay, let's make a normal boat. Watch us make a normal boat.
You're so fairy.
Okay, we have to make a normal boat, guys. We cannot use that thing to,
Yep.
you know.
My creation is too deadly. And plus I forgot to put the balloons on. So that's why we died.
2,000 years later.
Okay, this is better.
Oh,
Yeah, way better.
It's Twilight and the blue bird.
you have to make it like that.
Bye, Mia.
Bye. I must survive longer though.
We already lost. Oh, yeah, you're right, Mia.
Yeah, we lost.
You betrayed me.
Literally God, guys. I just
Me and they already died.
yeah.
Mia. Do you wanna try this?
Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Rocket.
What rocket? I never had a rocket.
Guys.
I never had a rocket.
Yeah, right.
I never put a rocket on the.
I'm gonna make the exact same thing D did. Like, let me show you.
And then me and Mia are gonna race. And JJ, you're gonna be on hers.
No, you have to be on his.
Our boat is just right there.
No, you have to be on Mia's.
No.
No, you have to push the ice blocks.
Ice blocks? Okay.
Place down the ice blocks.
Wait.
Oh, it's because I think we didn't put the. I think I didn't put the put the balloons on right.
The heck?
You need the balloons.
I only have 2 ice blocks.
What's this block? D, what's this block?
It's like a sponge.
Well, that's gonna be pretty useless.
Yeah, I know. I have 7. I don't know why. I need the balloons.
Hehe.
Did someone call me?
This kind of looks like the thing. It kind of looks.
How do you guys have that blue thing?
Ta-da.
Ice blocks.
Let's go.
JJ, you're gonna have to go back again.
No, I don't have space.
What you do?
No, you have space.
Wait, just let me spawn another one for you. Let me spawn another one.
Okay, there. Okay, that's good. Let's go. Lunch.
Wait, no. Go.
Why are we so slow?
Oh, why is it not working? What happened to it?
Probably
Reset.
Something went wrong.
Yes, reset.
Bye,
Something
guys.
literally went
No,
wrong.
no, no, no. This is the real thing, guys.
When I did it, it was going fast.
This is the real base.
You better not spawn in that dumb car.
What? I'm not going to spawn in this car.
Because if you spawn in that car, that's cheating.
I'm not going to spawn in the car. I don't even have one. Oh wait, I do. Forgot about it. Please. I want my mommy.
Mommy.
Can you trade in this game?
I don't think so.
No.
Oof.
Why?
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes, this is what we need, Mia.
Are you ready?
Not yet. No.
Okay.
Where's the balloons?
Oh, it's in front.
Oh.
Okay, what color is this? Oh,
Ronald McDonald.
that's Bad Boy Halo, and that's Puffy.
What about Skeppy?
Literally stop. The amount of the amount
But
of
the real
cringe.
But the real thing is Ronald McDonald
Yes.
or ketchup and mustard.
Oh yeah.
The amount of cringe. The amount of cringe they have. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Start your engines.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
Brum brum. Mia, go up! Go up, balloon! Go up! Mia, you.
I'm in the air. I'm in the air.
How are we supposed to float now?
I'm in the air.
We're first
We
playing.
lost Bad Boy Halo. We lost ketchup.
Oh no. No. D's not.
Mia, D is catching up.
We don't even see him.
Can we go up?
Nope.
Oof.
Now we got Skippy. Oh.
Bro, I
No, we don't.
Okay, I don't know why this isn't working. Wait, reset.
Use the
It worked for
rocket.
me, dude. It literally works for me. I don't know what happened. I think it's because of you guys. I don't know why.
Because of us.
Yeah, you guys are too fat.
We're not in with you. We're not even on your boat.
You know, I'm gonna make one for JJ.
English, Spanish, English, Spanish, English,
Spanish?
Spanish,
Yes.
English, Spanish.
Okay.
Oh wait. Oh wait, I got an idea.
Get on.
I've got an idea.
Okay. Can you stand on it, JJ? Stand on it. There.
Ooh.
Okay, return. Wait, can you get off for a second? Get off. Okay, now get on. Get on.
The way how you said it, get off.
Ooh. Ooh.
Excuse me.
Staircase.
Oh man, can't do it. Do you have that block? You have the block?
What block?
You can do it by yourself. This block.
No.
Oh. Wait, just try with another block. I guess.
Bruh.
I got nothing to say.
Susie.
I'm adding 2 blocks. I mean, 2 rockets.
Bruh.
Alrighty. It's
Not yet.
What you say, JJ?
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. No, JJ. I'm gonna add your.
Not yet.
JJ, please delete that.
What?
You're gonna sit on my head.
These are gonna my delete this piece. Okay, that's good.
Are we good to go?
Look at these.
We got this. Wait, no, no,
You
no.
look like
Wait.
those soccer fields.
Are we good to go?
Wait one second.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, launch it, JJ.
Okay.
We are Skippy team. Yo, we're going fast! What?
Oh,
Bruh.
girl. We're back to one balloon again. We're back to one balloon again.
Bruh, it doesn't work.
Wait, why is that purple? Wait, I'm doing it in the air. It makes no sense. You know what?
Me and you die.
Dude, my charger.
Charges. Okay, basically, so so
Floating.
oh my god, you only have one leg.
Oh my. Oh gosh. Oh.
I died.
Well, hey, I'm still alive. Bye, JJ. I'm already human in the water. Ooh, Candyland.
JJ.
Hey, I'm
Did you make
coming.
Wait, Mia. Look.
What?
Oh, you got it? You got it? Yes.
Wait, can you make it?
Just get on mine, guys. Guys, just get on mine. Just get on mine. JJ, just place a chair.
It's alright, I have a chair. This is a bad place to. I don't even care.
No, you have to spawn another one. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall off. Wait, I'll just spawn one. Right there. Oh my. Delete the other one.
No, I'm sitting on this.
Alright, fine. If you fall off, it's not my fault. No.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get my Sonic ice cream thing.
Alright, launch it. Andrea, launch it.
Okay.
Jay, launch it.
You didn't launch the balloons. Okay then.
We're flying.
Fine.
Guys, we have made flight. How do you guys feel?
Where are we flying?
I don't know. We're just
Are
in
we
the
going
air.
to Japan?
Yes. We're going to go to the anime hotel they have in Japan.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we're almost there.
And we are... Take landing. Jump off. Jump off. Take landing now.
We made it.
And that's how you do it. Oh, JJ's still on it. Where's JJ? Oh, she's right there.
Well, so thank you guys for watching this video.
Yep.
Well, I
You
just
died?
Wait, what?